What I'm about to share with you today is going to change the way you think about YouTube. Did you know that some YouTube channels are gaining thousands of subscribers even without showing their faces? These videos are trending in YouTube, and guess what? Creating these talking avatar is easier than you think. In this video, I'll be showing you the full workflow from how you can get started with generating your avatar to enhance the quality and making the voiceover. Finally, I will show you how to remove the watermark. So in the end, you have your complete AI talking avatar for free and without a watermark. Before going to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell icon. Okay, let's go to the video. First, we need to create an AI avatar. For that, go to the Google and search for Leonardo AI. I have added all the website links in the description. Then go to their official website. The good thing about Leonardo AI is that it will give you 150 free tokens that you can use to generate your images. Now let's head over to the Image Creation tab. Now, as you can see that on the left, there are various presets that you can use to generate an image with a specific style. I will go with the Cinematic Kino. And I will select the aspect ratio to 16:9. Here in the text box that we can type the prompt to generate the images. You can find the same prompt in the description of this video. Now just click on the Generate button. And you will see 4 generated images. I like this one more than others. So I can download this image by clicking this download icon. Now this image will be downloaded to your system. Next step is to enhance the quality of this image. For that, we will head over to Krea AI. First, click the Sign Up button and sign up with your Google account. Then click the Enhance button. Now just double-click the big plus icon and add your AI-generated image. Once the image is imported, just click on the 8x and then the Enhance button. After a few minutes, you will have the enhanced version of your image. You can play with this slider to see the difference. Then, you can download the enhanced image by simply clicking on this download button. For adding the voiceover and animating your avatar, just go to the DupDub AI. Click the Sign Up button and sign up with your Google account. Now go to the AI Avatar tab. We will have 10 free credits, but if you use my link that is in the video description to sign up, you will have 12 more free credits, total of 22 credits, so use it! Now, upload your enhanced image. Once the image is uploaded, you can generate the AI voice over from this section. You can type the script, or you can upload your voice file, or you can even record it. I will copy and paste the script here. If you want to use AI voice, you can simply press this button and select a voice you like.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
Finally, you can just click on Generating Talking Avatar button and hit Generate again. It will take a few minutes to generate the talking avatar. Once generated, you can preview the video and download it for free. I didn't get any watermark here, but if you get it, you can remove it by using a video editor like CapCut. You can easily download it for free from their official website. Once you download and install it, just click this import button and select your downloaded talking avatar video. Then, click the import button and select the enhanced image you used to generate the video. After that, drag both of them to the timeline and you should place the image over the video. Just keep in mind both the image and video are exact same size. Then, click on the image and go to the Mask tab. Select the circle. Resize the circle that can matches to the watermark size and put it over the watermark. So you can see the watermark is gone. As I said, it is very simple. You can try this in any editing software, even on your mobile devices. Now just click the export button to download our edited video. What video editor do you use the most? Put a comment and let others know. Now, you have your talking AI avatar for free without any watermark. If you have watched this so far, make sure to subscribe the channel and click the notification bell icon. See you in the next video.